always talking about Apex Dental and what a big deal they are. And so I said, I'm going to get to be with Dr. Joe today from Apex Dental and really see what all the fuss is about.
You've seen the commercials.
All
You've
the hype.
seen them.
I've seen your pictures when you were in middle school, and I've loved it. So thank you, Joe, first of all, for
hey,
bringing
the honor
pictures
is
of
all
Nisha.
mine being here
So
with you.
good to see you.
Yeah,
And
it's always fun.
Well, we're talking about going to the dentist because we all put it off. And what do patients tell you? Why do they do that?
Mainly the fear.
Okay.
They don't like it. It's such an intimate environment, and people putting their hands in your mouth, it's just not a comfortable place to always be. So they've had bad experiences in the past.
Well, and mine is the shame.
The
shame
shame.
and
What
the
do you
guilt.
mean?
And if I don't go long enough, then I can't go in because I'm like, I'm sure I'm going to be embarrassed. I've got 20 cavities. They're going to judge me. They know I haven't flossed.
See, that's the problem with our industry, and it drives me crazy. It really does, because there's so many bad experiences and that have been created in the past that people don't want to come into the dentist, and it doesn't have to be bad, you know. And getting shamed and feeling stressed out and doing all that, it doesn't have to be that way, and it certainly isn't in our office.
I was reading an article, things that you don't need to say to your dentist because they already know, and one was, I swear I'm flossing, when you're not. You know.
Yeah. Yes, we do. Yeah.
do
So
know.
I mean, people come in, they tell us that they're flossing, and hey, you know what? Whatever floats their boat, that's fine. We'll be able to tell you.
You're here now.
You're here now. We're here to take care of you, and we're here to make this a good experience for you.
Well, how do you make it a good experience? Someone like me that is embarrassed to go into the dentist and nervous, how do you make it stress-free?
Well, there's a variety of ways. Okay, so one, to reduce the stress that people come in, we offer different levels of sedation. So you can offer nitrous, get the laughing gas. We can do that on ages, 1-year-old up to 100-year-olds. We can do IV sedation. We can do, have you take a little pill to just really ease all your concerns and everything that you may have as a result of being fearful from those past bad experiences or being judged in the past or all the other stuff that has made it so it's not good for you.
So I love that you just said up to 100 you can do the laughing gas, because I act a little embarrassed even then to say that's normal for adults to get the laughing gas.
Oh my gosh, I have adults crying in my chair, like before they come, and then they have the experience with Apex and they're fine after.
My first time using the laughing gas in their office. Yeah. My first time. I'd never done that before, and not that I was afraid to go to the dentist because they're so nice the minute, like from start to finish when you walk in the office, but that did make it really comfortable.
And Nisha's a lot of fun anyway, but when you get her on laughing gas, it's a little crazy.
I'm sure there's a video.
Can we bring some on the show?
Somewhere.
I think we need to bring some on the show.
Talk about the experience level too of your dentists at Apex.
Yeah, so there are minimum requirements that dentists are supposed to have as far as continuing education and the different things with it. So our dentists are actually required to have 3 times the level of education with their continuing education just to be a part of the Apex dentist. So the results that they're able to provide for our patients are a lot better. So all the technology that we have in our office, all the up-to-date stuff, and just education's always changing, and so we want our dentists to stay abreast on the latest technology and the latest education. So it's you're going to get top-of-the-line treatment when you come into our office.
I feel like you're kind of looking at my teeth.
I'm looking at how gorgeous they are,
That's why I had to have Nisha in between us for that.
Can I tell you, if you have been thinking about being a patient at Apex, now is the time to do it because they have their patient give back huge event coming up on April 18th. I've seen them give away a car. I've seen them give away a suitcase of cash. This year, what are you giving away?
We are giving away a $10,000 vacation package to our patients because, let's face it, we wouldn't be where we're at today without our awesome patients. And so, in the spirit of giving back to our community and, and different things, we certainly can do this for our patients. So yeah, $10,000 vacation package. And
how do you enter that? How do you get that? How do I get that?
You have to just be a patient of Apex and just bring your friends over with you and different things. And we actually have 50 of our best patients that come on over, and they're going to qualify for it.
How much does that weigh? Is it 50 to 75 pounds, $10,000?
You know what? Yeah, and so Dan Kennedy,
cash.
in the spirit of giving back to you as well. He needs to come into our office.
Found it on the freeway, gave it back.
How awesome is that?
Did the right thing. So now Dr. Joe wants to do the right thing for you.
Yeah,
so
come on in. We will hook you up with the some great dental care, and we'd love to take care of you. And just in the spirit of giving back. How awesome is that kind of karma?
So. Dan, there are so many different locations if you're watching, and for everybody out there, West Jordan, Riverton, Draper, Stansbury Park, and Murray, all the Apex information on our website. But do hop over there right now so that you can be part of that big patient give back.
And I think Nisha's right. I think I'm an Apex fan now. I think
Are you?
now I see what all the hype
You're
is
smiling
about.
more.
Yeah, I'm smiling more. We're
smile.
talking
smiling already.
teeth.
You're already more
We're talking
comfortable
teeth,
with the
and I'm
dentist.
smiling
I
more.
love it.
It makes me want to dance.
Yeah.
It makes me
And
want to
why
dance.
not?
And when we come back, the hip hop